Hermes has a brand new MCP update with Blender, which means that you can use Hermes Agent with Blender to create some amazing 3D creations. Here's an example. So we actually created like this 3D phone levitation. You can create some like really nice mock-ups, as you can see right here. And this is a free open source way to generate like graphics and 3D worlds using this system. So it's free. It's open source. Blender is basically a really powerful way to generate like node-based physics and all sorts of cool stuff, right? And now you can control it with Hermes MCP. So how does this work step by step? Well, it's something I call the imagination printer. A printer where the ink is polygons and the document is whatever you just imagine. So you can type a sentence, your Hermes agent models it, lights it, frames it, and renders it in Blender. And it's free and it just landed. So you can see an example right here. You can create your own like sort of 3D worlds. You can, for example, get your agents to build out like a floating island or whatever you want to do with this system. And the reason that you would do this is like, imagine this. There's a 3D scene in your head right now. It could be like a product shoot for your store. It could be a floating island for a game. It could be like a neon logo for your brand. But between you and that image sits loads of like messing around, going into Blender, setting everything up, mocking it up. I mean, like this is quite a complicated tool to use, as you can see. So this is an example of what we've created earlier, and it just takes a lot of work. It's very technical to use. Now, instead of doing all that technical stuff, you can get your Hermes agent to manage it for you, to create beautiful mock-ups for you, to create 3D worlds. And the great thing about this is as well that Blender is famously brutal to learn, which means like even just doing super basic stuff can take hours. Most people quit halfway through. And so like any sort of ideas you have in your head for Blender just sort of disappear. With this to Hermes agent with the MCP, Hermes agent will use Blender MCP to build it, Blender creates it, and you're good to go. And it basically works like a 3D printer. So you feed in a sentence to Hermes, the agent translates it into real Blender actions, creating shapes, mixing materials, placing lights, aiming the camera, and then Blender does what it always does at professional grade. So you can see an example of what someone actually created here. This was like a floating iPhone using the Blender MCP. Looks super nice. Craziest thing about this as well, as you can see in this example, is that people have never even opened Blender before, myself included, can create awesome stuff just by giving your agents a single prompt and using the Hermes MCP for Blender. It's pretty unbelievable. Now, if you're wondering how to set it up, just make sure you update Hermes, then you can run Hermes MCP install Blender, and then make sure you have Blender installed, which you can run with this terminal command, and then you're good to go from there. And you might be thinking as well, how many tokens or how much does this cost to run? So Blender itself is free. The MCP is free and open source. The Hermes install command is free. The only thing that would use up tokens is the brain itself, but you can always use a free API, for example, like HY3 inside Hermes to use it for free as well. And this is an example of the floating island we created as well. So you can see the prompt, pretty simple, but it generated it nicely. You can also create like products, as you can see here. So this was a glass chess piece with studio lighting. And this is what it actually looks like inside Blender. Now that would be super technical to do yourself, but with this system, you can set it up in a couple of clicks. So you might think like, okay, how would I actually use that? Well, let's say, for example, I have a book. I could create like a 3D mock-up of the book in a 3D scene that's actually animated as well. Or you could create your own 3D world. Maybe you're creating a game and you want to add that in. Even like for coming up with product mock-ups, this would be pretty interesting as well. And there's 5 key parts to this imagination printer. So you got the ink, which is your sentence. You just give it a description in terms of the mood, the light, materials, everything else. Then you have the print head, which is literally Hermes Agent. So it translates your prompt, your description of what you want to create into real Blender operations. From there, you got the press, so Blender itself. This is free open source software. And this is the same software that's behind like real games, films, all sorts of interesting stuff. So the MCP gives your agent all of it. And then you can create this stuff and have it stored locally, Plus, you can actually get your agent to screenshot the process as it goes along, so you can see what it's designing as it goes. And, one printer could create game assets, brand visuals, product shots, different lightings, images, or whatever you describe next. Now, if you look at the old way versus the new way before this, using something like Blender, it would take like months to learn. Most people quit halfway through. You have to kind of memorize all the shortcuts, the modifiers, the nodes, the settings, or brief a 3D artist and wait days just for a first draft. And then on every single revision, you have to go back and forth, and that's quite time consuming itself. Whereas with this setup, you've got one install command and then minutes per scene. You just use the Hermes MCP install Blender command, describe the scene in plain English, the mood, the lighting, everything else. The agent models, lights and frames it. It then screenshots its own work mid-job and fixes it. From there, it revises. So if you have improvements, you can quickly change those, and it's pretty simple to do. So some people think like designing with 3D stuff takes years to learn. Not anymore with this agent setup. As you've seen today, I've shown you several examples of what we've created. Other people say, well, agent made 3D will just look super basic and not very good. But the agent actually looks at what it's creating as it goes along, and then Hermes self-improves based on the revisions it needs to make. And then other people say, well, this is a toy for like 3D hobbyists, not for my business. But if you're doing any sort of like product shots, animations, ad visuals, game assets, branding, etc., this is actually really useful. So here's what you just gained. You learned how to skip all the months of tutorials and trying to test them with Blender. You gained a 3D department, some modeling, materials, lighting, camera, etc. One agent can run all of those. You stopped having to pay for stuff that does this because Blender is free. It's open source. The MCP is free as well. You learned how to create your own assets with this whole process, and you gained a self-checking artist. So Hermes Agent can prove its own work before it gives you the final output, and you learned how to set up in one install command, which is just Hermes MCP install Blender. Now, if you want to get our full agent operating system with Hermes, you can get that inside the AI Profit Boarding, link in the comments description. We have Hermes Apollo, which is a voice-activated AI agent that can build stuff for you. We have, for example, Hermes Oracle that pulls in the latest news, organize it, and then you can quickly create social media content around trending news in your industry. We have Hermes Astros that can monitor your competitors and then give you content ideas based on that. And we have loads of other powerful stuff. For example, like this actually links to a memory system that is shared across all of your AI agents. We even have an app lab so that you can create your own apps in like one single click. So if you want to get all of this, link in the comments description, or just go to the AIProfitBoarding.com. This is my community for helping you learn and grow with AI automation. We have tons of training on Hermes inside there. Inside the community, you can ask questions, get help and support in real time. Inside the classroom, you can get access to all of my best trainings on this sort of stuff. So if you're a complete beginner, you can go from beginner to expert over here. If you want all of our new daily updates, you can get that inside this section. And we add new daily tutorials, as you can see. Plus, you can grab the Agent OS system with the zip file to install over here. You'll also jump on weekly coaching calls and get help and support in real time, share your screen, jump on a Zoom call, meet other members. And then inside the map, you can meet people in your local area who are building with AI agents like you. So feel free to get that link in the comments description, or just go to the AIProfitBoarding.com.